They say miracles don't happen every day, but in my heart I know that isn't true. There are blessings that are more than merely miracles, and every day, in every way, that blessing is you. You stepped into my life when I needed you most, growing so close. You shed my tears and my laughter. You opened my eyes to the kind of love you give, and your love will live in my heart forever after. There are heroes in this world that go unsung, yet they touch so many lives along their way. With no spotlight, no applause, they're like shining stars. And every day, in every way, you're my hero. You stepped into my life when I needed you most, growing so close. You shed my tears and my laughter. You opened my eyes to the kind of love you give, and your love will live in my heart forever after. Life isn't always easy, but you never turn away. Now deep inside I know I'll always bless the day you stepped into my life when I needed you most, growing so close. You shed my tears and my laughter. You opened my eyes to the kind of love you give, and your love will.
Located in the hills of Martin County, Lagodi, Indiana, with a population of 3,000, gained fame as the home of Jack Butcher and his basketball teams. Lagodi has also been the home of Midwestern Engineers Incorporated for 50 years. Formed in 1959, Midwestern Engineers is a multidiscipline engineering firm. Under the capable leadership of President Emeritus Bob Elliott, former Secretary-Treasurer Jim Birch, and the late Art Bodie, Vice President, Midwestern carved out a niche as specialists in the design of water and sewer systems. Midwestern designed many rural distribution systems exceeding 50 miles in length. First with a slide rule and T-square, then with calculators, and now with state-of-the-art software. Midwestern has worked hand in hand with the volunteer boards and elected officials to develop these systems as cost-efficiently as possible. While technology has changed tremendously since then, Midwestern has taken a proactive approach to technology. Written notes and phone messages have given way to voicemail and email communications. Cell phones keep our inspectors in constant contact with our engineers, while smartphones allow our engineers to review emails and documents on the go. These are great improvements over payphones and message relays over contractor radios. Web conferencing allows us the opportunity to hold meetings with clients without the travel time and expense, a promising green approach. Mimeograph machines and typewriters, once the core of production process, sit mostly idle, while computers and multifunction printers and PDF documents do so much more of the work. Blueprints, once developed with ammonia, have given way to large copying machines. Plans and specs are now digitally distributed via our online plan room, giving contractors instant access to any project we currently have out for bid. In the 1960s, Midwestern was called upon by visionary Bill Cook, developer of Santa Claus, Indiana. Midwestern helped plan and design Christmas Lake Village, Christmas Lake Dam, Santa Claus water and waste treatment plants, and numerous other projects. We have been blessed with the continuing opportunity to help develop a major tourist destination in southern Indiana, the continuing expansion of Holiday World and Splash and Safari.